Good morning. It is Saturday, June the 26th here in Henry, Tennessee. It's right at 10:53. Just a short announcement. As you know, User2User began the first week in January in 2014. It's gone through several steps, variations, different localities, as we've changed platforms and everything. Probably in July, I'm not going to be able to the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. Basically, I am now involved in so many Google platforms. It's taking up more and more of my work, the different product forms. Now badge gold in 5, diamond in another 2. There are certain points levels that have to be maintained to maintain those standings. That includes making more posts in the product forms to get the required number in. That's taking more and more time. So beginning after July the 4th, after the holiday, I will be posting 5 minutes before I go online for a user-to-user 30-minute open session. Those will occur whenever I have time for them. They will be at no set schedule time. As I say, they'll be on an ad hoc basis. I will be posting in both the new chat, Google Chat. I will post in Google Hangouts as long as it's around, and I will be posting on the User2User website. So that's where you will get future notifications as to when I am live online. Now, I will try my best because they happen at night. Michael's tips, the Wednesday H&M show, the game show. I'll try and make Heather's show as much as I can, but there again, because I'm in so many of these product forums, and they hold, a lot of them hold monthly meetings, like the second Tuesday or the third Thursday or whatever. Of course, we don't know exactly what her schedule is going to be back when she comes back in August either, so that's likely to change. But just to let you know, after the 4th of July, it's going to be on a 5-minute notice when I'm online. There will be no more scheduled online event sessions that I will be hosting. The room, of course, will stay open. This is, you've all got the link to it. If not, you know where to get it. So I just wanted to give everybody a heads up on that. And I'm now going to stop the recording, let it render, get it posted. I don't know whether I'll post it exactly this weekend or not, just when I will, but I will be posting it so that you have the notification in time to make adjustments that you may need to make. Thanks for listening, and thanks for your support.